Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how I teach young children about growing plants. First thing that I'll ask the children what they already know about growing plants, and I'll encourage them to share some of their experiences that they might have had growing plants at home. Next, I'm going to show the children each material we're going to be using today. So I have here some bean seeds, carrots, garlic bulb, a flower bulb, and I also have here a potato. So when I'm showing the children each of these materials, I will ask them if they think each one will grow and what they think they'll need to grow, things such as sunlight, soil, and water. And I'll talk about how those things are important for the growth of the plants. After I've shown them all of the materials we'll be using, I will put each of the little beans into a different container. So some I will only put with water, another I might put with water and soil. And a really good container to use, if you have access to a clear container, it could be a water bottle like this, I just cut the top off, or even a Ziploc bag, that would be great. It's great to put them in there because the children can see through and they can really start seeing those small changes that are happening in the growth. Once you have all of your materials in the containers, just put them in the classroom on a shelf that gets sunlight so the children can go and observe them over the next few days and even the next few weeks. So I have here some examples of plants that have been growing for just a few days and for a few weeks to show you some of the changes that the kids will be observing. So here I have a little bean seed that I put in here, and it has just started to sprout, as you can see. There's some very small roots starting to sprout. This bean seed is a few weeks old, and I just took it out of a container like that. So you can already tell the differences between these, and it's easy for children to see those as well. You might even have your children draw a picture of the plant each week so they can visually see the changes that are occurring. And these other plants that I have here as well, the carrots and the potatoes, you can do the same project with those as well. Just guide your children's exploration on those and make sure you're having discussions about what they're observing and the changes. You could even use a ruler and measure the differences from week to week. And that's a great way to show the children how these plants are growing. You could also use some tools. These are just some little magnifying glasses, and we have a little flashlight. And that's great to have by your plants so the children can really see the changes more closely. Another great thing about this activity is once your plants have grown, there's more to explore. You can explore the stem differences and the leaves and even the roots. So it's a great activity to do with your class.